Today we're going to show you how to bore and mill a valve body. The shaft hole, top surface of the valve body, and other inner holes of the top surface require high accuracy and roughness. We're going to process it by a CNC gantry boring and milling machine. It's a heavy-duty equipment, which is often used to machine large parts to secure position accuracy and geometric tolerances. Milling refers to the machining method by using multi-point rotary cutters to remove material from a workpiece. In general, most planes of non-rotating parts are finished by milling process. Boring is the process of enlarging a hole that has already been drilled or casted by means of a single-point cutting tool. Boring is used to achieve higher accuracy of hole diameter, or processing of the inner ring groove of the hole and the whole system with higher position accuracy. It can also be used for drilling, reaming, and milling planes. First, prepare cutter. Second, adjust the fixture and clamp the workpiece tightly. Third, set up the cutter and align it. Now, we'll drill the holes at the top flange. Then, switch it to the back surface to drill holes on the bottom flange in the same way. When the drilling is finished, we start milling and boring shaft hole and end faces. At last, drilling and boring shaft hole and other holes at the end surface.